Hello there, welcome to Dave the YouTube channel where I talk about smart TVs and getting your favorite application on your smart TVs. In this particular video, I will show you the fastest way to get the Stremio application to your smart TV or Android TV. So you may want to watch right up to the end of the video to learn about what I will show you. So subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find the video helpful, and of course you're going to find the video helpful. So share the video with someone that you think might need it. So to get the Stremio application, as I said, the easiest and quickest way to get this, use downloader. Now, downloader is an application that helps you search for anything across the internet, files, videos, APKs, and so on. So it's a very important application for any smart TV or Android TV users. If you don't download on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to guide you to get the application or install the application to your smart TV or Android TV. Here's how the user face is. Very easy to use. And once you're done downloading the application, launch it, come out to this box here, and you're going to search for Stremio. Oh no, that's a long method. So you're not going to search for Stremio. You're going to search for a code, and this code is just going to lead you straight away to where you can download Stremio to your smart TV. And the code in this case is 71. Please follow the code attentively because it's very important. 71893. 71893. So how does this code work? Once you search this code, it's going to lead you to a download website of Stremio application, and it's going to give you the option to download Stremio. If you're using a Fire Stick or Android TV or Smart TV, it's going to show you all the options to install the application to your Smart TV or Android TV. So that said, just go ahead and click on go. If this worked for you, let me know in the comment section. If it doesn't work, ask your questions and I'm going to try to solve them in this channel. So as you can see, in less than 3 seconds, it's going to lead to the website where you can install the application, and all you have to do is to download the application and install it. And here's the website. So just go through it and get the application to your smart TV or Android TV.